Hello friends, welcome back to Kirti's Creations. Today we are going to make this simple and cute swastik wall hanging pair. It is very easy to make, so let's start without wasting any time. For making this swastik wall hanging, we need two golden metal foils which are in square shape and having design on it. Then the swastik cutouts which are of plastic. Jump rings, half cut golden beads, metal bells and the bond fix glue. Now we will stick these golden half cut beads on the swastik with the help of bond fix. As you can see, I am first applying the glue dots where I have to stick the half cut golden beads, and afterwards I am sticking those one by one. Instead of golden beads, you can stick white pearl beads also. But make sure that the color should be contrast so that it will look nice. Now see, I have completed sticking the golden half cut beads on the swastik cutouts. Now I will attach two jump rings to the two opposite sides of the metal foil. Here you can see the holes are given for attaching the jump ring. One jump ring is for hanging the piece and other jump ring is for attaching the bell. Now I am attaching the jump rings. The jump rings are little bit bigger size. Like this. And I will insert one bell in this jump ring first. And then I will insert it at the opposite end. See. Now you can see I have attached bells and jump rings to both of the metal foils. Now we just have to stick this swastik on this metal piece like this. Apply good amount of glue so that it will not come out. Like this. Keep it overnight for drying purpose and see, the cute little wall hanging pair is ready within no time. You can change the design or add some more bells here as per your creativity. I hope you liked my creation. If you really like it, then please subscribe to my channel because lot of creative videos are coming soon. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.